Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 and today our group are going to present about the human resource management with title Workplace Safety and Health, the effect of OSHA program in enhancing employees' well-being. So we are represented by 5 person, which is me, Muhammad HARIZ, SHAZWAN bin KHAIRUL ANUAR, ni AHMAD ZAIM, Muhammad FARKHAN, Muhammad FADHILAH and also NAVINTAN. Okay, this is our chosen company, which is BCM Electronic Corporation Sdn Bhd. They start back in 1993 and based in Kulim, Kedah. Over the year, they grown into one of Malaysian leading electronic manufacturers with over 1,200 employees. BCM focus on high precision electronic. They support major industry like automotive power electronic, industrial system and lighting. What really make them stand out in their dedication to quality and innovation? They stand over 30 years building a strong reputation not just in Malaysia but international client as well.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Zaim bin Muhammad YUSSOF. So today I would like to talk about the 3.0 scope, limitation and importance of the project. The scope of the project is revolves around the safety and regulation, the benefit of safety regulation, and finally company-specific safety scopes. And limitation are the physical security and cyber security. For the scope, which is the safety and regulation, all employees are to be notified about the regulation that are put up for the company. Usually, this is to ensure the safety of their employee during the work hours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FADHILAH bin FAIZUL YAZAN and I'm from Group A and I will continue about project statement. At BCM, safety is more than a requirement. It is a core value. By following OSHA guidelines, the company ensures a safe and healthy environment that reduces accidents, support employee well-being and boost productivity. This initiative have led to fewer injuries, stronger teamwork, higher morale and full legal compliance. BCM addresses challenges like resistance to change and training gaps through continuous improvement and proactive strategies. As a higher tech manufacturer, BCM tailors its safety programs to match industry demands using HRIS system to track training, monitor accident and ensure real-time compliance. BCM safety effort follow the PLOC model, which is planning, leading, organizing and controlling to integrate safety into every part of the operation. In short, BCM shows how to strong safety culture backed by leadership and technology drives both employee protection and business success.
Hi, my name is Navintan. So today I will be presenting the BCM Electronic Corporation innovative the workplace safety and health. So this is my HRM Human Resource and Technology presentation. So we are from Group 8. So my name is Navintan, son of KASIRAJEN, and my metric number is B0624 10182. Okay, now first of all, I will present the BCM workplace safety and health innovative. Okay, so BCM has achieved ISO 45001 2018 certification, which they reflect as a structure or occupation healthy and safety management system. This shows the company's serious commitment to managing workplace safety risk. BCM mainly focus to continuous improvement their safety. So through the regular training, development, also especially in areas such as emergency preparedness, hazard identification and safety occupations. Okay, so safety occupation is the truly important to the workers or the intern workers or the permanent workers. That also there's a very important to the this is the safety for important to the workers. Also, any companies or any kind of companies, the hazard or the safety is most important to the workers. Risk assessments and mitigation efforts are done regularly, and emergency drills are conducted to prepare the staff. So unexpected situations. Beyond internal efforts, VCM also demonstrates corporate social responsibility through the environment and community safety programs. Okay. Now, next, let's look at how BCM ensures compliance with Malaysia's Occupation Safety and Health Act or OSHA in 1994. Okay, the company has developed as a comprehensive safety and health policy approved by the top management, also and the VCB posted to the facility. Okay, this policy is regularly in review and share the employees to ensure the awareness. BCM uses a structured approach to the HRIC, hazard identification, risk assessment and risk control, okay, to identify the manage risk, especially the high risk areas like production, chemical, electrical, related electrical. So that handling the chemical handling, that companies are very mainly risk companies to the occupational safety. The functional safety and health committee made up to the both management and employee representatives meets monthly to review safety issues and propose in improvements. In addition, BCM provides induction training for the new staff, along with the regular refresher courses. Emergency drills such as fire evacuation simulations conducted manually. Personal protective equipment or PPE is also mandatory to hazard areas and regularly inspected to efficacy. Now I will explain the BCM's border OSHA compliance program. First, we must have a strong leadership commitment key. Management plays an active role and all gets the necessary resources. So safety policies are clearly defined, regularly updated. Okay. PPP is a issue based on the job specific skills or job specific risks with training provided. Agronomic improvement and implements to prevent injuries caused by repetitive tasks or poor posture. The company also applies behavior based safety approaches, encouraging employees to observe and correct unsafe practices. For contractors, BCM conduct the pre-qualification checks and on-site monitoring to ensure compliance. Lastly, BCM collaborates with OSHA to gain access to training and regulatory updates, making sure they must do the safety system to their employers or the staffs for the block the risks or any kind of risk before they are injured. So the BCM is mainly collaborated with OSHA and follow the rules of the OSHA and less the risk for the staffs and employees, for the new employees also. The final part, let's look the BCM hazard control strategies. Okay, the company holds several intentionally recognized certifications such as ISO 45001 for occupational safety, for environmental management, and ICO 13485 for medical device quality. These certifications ensure to the BCM maintains high regulatory and safety standards. A strong internal suit or audit system help detect the safety issues and enforce to enforce corrective actions. Okay, these audits also ensure compliance with standard operating procedures and improve safety process. In collaboration with the local educational institutions, BCM provides hands-on technical training in fields like electrical and mechanical engineering. This builds workforce safety competence. Lastly, before I finish my presentation, BCM values employee feedback. Workers and encouraged to share suggestions and enhance safety and wellness programs. Reinforcing and positive provide safety culture. This is the we can see the BCM company must be important to the workers safety, and then also they improve the safety improve their safety and avoid the risk for the employees. So this is my presentation and thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FARKHAN bin YUNUS. Today I want to talk about challenges BCM electronic face in implementing workplace safety. These issues are interconnected and impact the company ability to achieve its strategic goals. First, at the top of the pyramid, we have talent shortage. BCM struggle to find skilled personnel, especially in advanced technologies. This lack of expertise directly hinders the company's strategic progress. Next is higher turnover. Competitive job offer from rival companies lead to frequent loss of expert employees. This disrupt workflow and often result in delay, especially in safety critical projects. Third, we have compensation gaps. If pay packages are not attractive, the company struggle to both attract and retain talents. This lower employee morale and engagement, both key factor in maintaining a safe work environment. The fourth challenge is resistance to change. New safety protocol may be met with hesitation, especially if employees feel uncertain or uncomfortable. This resistance can slow down the adoption of critical safety measures. Finally, HR alignment. Often HR is seen in an administrative role, not a strategic partner. This misalignment means HR may not proactively drive initiatives that support safety and employee well-being.
So, let's talk about HR play a huge part in keeping the workplace safe. First off, HR lead the charge in developing policies. They make sure safety guidelines are not just written well, but actually elegant with OSHA rules. Then they communicate those policies clearly so everyone on the same page. Next, they handle incident monitoring. That means tracking any injuries that happen, spotting patterns, and using that data to make things better. It's about learning from what happened and constantly improving. HR also take the lead during OSHA inspection. They make sure all the documents are current, nothing missed, and everything is compliance, so the company is prepared when audit roll around. Another huge part, employee training. HR organize regulation session to educate staff on potential hazard, emergency response, and safety practice. It not just ticking box, it giving people the knowledge to stay safe every day. And finally, HR promote a safety-first culture. Through things like recognition program and open communication, they make safety something people care about, not just follow. When safety is part of workplace mindset, everyone can enjoy work and do their best with a motivation to make sure the company is always go with
Zero. Information sources that guide organizational policies on OSHA. Information sources by definition means method or how the company able to extract the information either via primary option or the secondary option. Primary option means an original or first-hand information such as from interviews, policies, or diary. Meanwhile, the secondary option are usually information interpreted or analyzed from the primary sources such as from books, literature, and biographies. There are three types of information used in the company, which is information gathering, formal and informal information, and employee data. Information gathering can be defined by by crucial information obtained for the company, such as the information number of the employee, their addresses, phone number, and etc. Meanwhile, the formal and informal information are extra information usually asked by the human resources manager to the employee, especially during interviews for a job application.
Let's move into a recommendation. First one is about a mobile-based hazard system report. Can really improve workplace safety. When workers can report risks directly through their phone, it speeds up response time and help prevent accidents before they happen. It's fast, simple, and encourage everyone to take part in creating a safer environment. We also need to put more focus on mental health, stress management program, counseling service, or overt simple wellness check-ins can go a long way. When employees feel supported mentally, they perform better and are more engaged at work. Lastly, don't underestimate ergonomy. Adjusting workstation, encouraging proper posture, and rotating tasks can reduce physical strain. This small change help prevent long-term injuries and reduce fatigue, which boosts productivity across the board. Together, this step is a really good recommendation to create a healthier and safer workspace, but for the long.
In summary, BCM Electronics demonstrates a proactive and structured approach to workplace safety, guided by OSHA standards. Through staff training, hazard control, and also strong HR involvement, the company fosters a safe and healthy environment. Despite challenges like resource limits and operational complexity, BCM remains committed to continuous improvement. Its dedication goes beyond compliance, showing a true responsibility to protect its workforce and strengthen safety practices for the future. That's all from us. Thank you very much.